runway 7. While passing zero Western Alpha 39, proceed slowly to Alpha 2 after bracket 27%, taxiing from Alpha 3S. Double line runway 27, go for takeoff.
Let's take off runway 27, 7,